In this video, I'm going to show you the way that you can delete your Netflix account. So stick with me till the end and let's get right into it. Now basically there are two things that you can do. Either you can just cancel the subscription and after 10 months your account will be inactive. The way that you do it is just tap on your profile icon on the top right and open up accounts. If you scroll down a bit from here, you'll have an option of cancel membership and it says come back within 10 months. So if you don't come back within 10 months, your account will be completely inactive, which means your account will be deleted. Now if you want to delete it straight away without waiting for 10 months, what you can do is again come back to this screen and tap on accounts again and just scroll down from here where you'll have an option of delete account on the last. You just tap on delete account. Now before you delete your account, you'll need to enter the code that will be sent to your email address that is linked with your Netflix. So you just tap on email a code and after that you'll be taken to the next screen where you just enter in the code that has been sent to your email address. Once you enter in the code, you can see this interface where it says delete your account permanently. And it also says you might want to cancel your subscription. So make sure you do cancel your subscription before you delete your account. Otherwise, you could be still charged for your subscription even if your account is deleted. So make sure you cancel the subscription first through the first way that I showed you. Now after your subscription is complete, you just come here and then you just tap on permanently delete on the bottom. So that was the process on how to delete your Netflix account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.